Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I moisturize my hair. I have to moisturize my hair before my next wash day because my hair is 4C and it is low porosity. Low porosity hair is very prone to dryness. If you're new here, my name is harrietnwogo, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So before we start, I'm going to show you the products I'm going to use today. I am kind of confused. I don't know which one to use. I've shown you these products in my other video where I talked about the products I'm using for my hair. I probably will go with this one because it's almost finished, so I might as well just use it all. And then I have oils here. I brought two oils again, confusion. So we're going to see which one I'm going to use at the end of the day. Normally I might use water, but I don't have a spray bottle, which is weird. I usually will have a spray bottle, but I'm not really going to use water this time because my plan is not to drench my hair, it's just to re-moisturize my hair. So before we continue, I'm going to show you the state of my hair so that we can appreciate the before and after. This is my hair. It might not look dry to you guys, but to me, harrietnwogo, it is dry, and I can just feel my scalp, you know, kind of flaking and everything. So my hair is definitely dry. I'm pretty sure we're going to see the difference once we're done with the moisturizing of this locks. Before you moisturize your hair, you have to divide your hair into parts. So I have some bands here, and I'm going to divide my hair into 4 parts. It doesn't have to be a perfect division, if that makes sense. This is like the worst division I've ever made in my life. But that's not the purpose of this video. I want to start with the front so that it's easier for you guys to see. You are going to take the whole strand and you're going to spray. So I advise that you probably should have like a towel around you. You want to spray and massage it in. I can already tell the difference on my scalp and my hair strands. It just feels better, honestly, even without putting the oil. But the reason why we use oil after this is to be able to seal in the moisture. I'm going to go with this oil, rub that, as you can see. Just in case you're wondering, yes, I'm using this chance to actually re-moisturize my hair for the week. Kind of put it in my scalp. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my head. So I've gone off camera to do the other ones, and this is the last one. So I just want to show it to you guys again. Yeah, this, oh, my hair feels really good. Yeah. Yeah, my hair feels really good. So I'm going to show you what my hair looks like now. Oh, I can tell the difference anyway because my hair was really dry, my scalp was dry. Now it feels really nice. So I want to believe that you can also tell the difference in my locks right now. I love re-moisturizing my hair. Just makes my hair feel good again. Please guys, tell me to stop touching my hair. As you can see, it's a very simple process. It's not difficult at all. Maintaining locks is something that I know for sure is not as difficult as people say or people think. You just need to do your hair. Know yourself, know your products, know what works for you. If you have natural hair, you can also re-moisturize your hair like this. When you moisturize your hair, it's always good to sleep with satin bonnets. Even if you don't have a satin pillowcase, most people say use a satin pillowcase and then use a satin or silk bonnet. You can see I got this really long one because my target is bra length, so I want to make sure that I have a bonnet that is long enough to take all my hair in. And the good thing about buying a really long bonnet is that when you wake up, your hair is like, you know, in the same way you kept it in, because it's just there, and then you tie it and it looks really nice and it's very, very comfortable. Then I also have like a satin scarf here. This is a very old scarf. My husband has been telling me to throw this scarf away but I just really do like this scarf. It does the job. It really does job. Even when you don't moisturize your hair every night, you should actually sleep with a hair covering. Dryness is not good. Moisture is the way forward. And when your hair is moisturized often, when it is not dry, it would grow. You can retain your length, but when it is dry, your hair will break. It could be once in a week, it could be once every 2 weeks. It really depends on what kind of hair you have. I'm going to do some hairstyles for you, and of course my wash day video also, because very soon I'm going to have to wash my locks, and I'm going to take you through that process. Let me stop talking. Okay guys, I'll see you in my next one. Okay, bye.